Hello, first grade. I'm going to take you on some weekly tips that'll come throughout the weeks while we're not in school of just some awesome free websites that you have access to that you can use that are found through our Fairview Elementary School technology homepage. And today is the first one, so welcome, and I hope you find this helpful and that you can use this at home with your students while learning at home. All right, so to start, we are on the Fairview Elementary School homepage. I recommend starting here just because everything's in one spot and it's pretty easy to go through. The first thing I'm going to do is click on this button or this tab up here that says Resources. And Resources will bring you to this page. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Technology Student Links. And here you're going to find a whole bunch of stuff that you can use. So here's just online learning resources in general. Then you've got some computer skills, some keyboarding practice, and computer coding. So tons of stuff to do. But today, for the first one, we're going to start with one of my personal favorites, and that is MyOn. So you're going to click on this little icon right here, and all these icons are linked to each website. So when you open MyOn, it is likely that right here, school name will not be there. For you will not already say Fairview Elementary School. If it does not, just type it in and just double check that when you do type it in that it's Fairview Elementary School, part of Fairfax County Public Schools in Virginia, because there's quite a few Fairview Elementary Schools. So I'm going to go ahead and get us signed in and pause this video, and then when it opens back up, it will be on our page ready for us to go. Okay, so here we are on a student page. So if you've been on before, you will see your reading meter up here and the time you spent reading. Down here are projects. That's not always going to be filled up, but if your teacher provides you with a playlist of books, that's where that will show up. This was a retelling that I was working on previously, but if you click on those, it'll tell you kind of all those different things that are in those projects that have been made. But for the time being, I just want to show you what it's like to explore this website. So when I click on library, I can go to browse, my list, or search. So if I want to browse, you see all the different types of books that you can be reading. I mean, they have a ton of books up here. So about me, animals, all sorts of things. So for example, if you wanted to work on maybe your all about books that we've been working on in class, you could click on animals and learn more about the animal that you are doing your research on. So of course I'll pick the giraffe one, and when you click, it's going to start down here with the play button, and it will read it out loud to you. You can also, if you prefer to read it yourself, just keep clicking on the arrow button and go through the entire book, and it'll read it all to you. And when you're done, I do want to just scroll through quickly to show you that when you are finished, sometimes students get confused on what to do when they're all done the book. So of course, this will also tell you that if you sped through the book, you're going to click exit up here to get back to the main page. And that will bring you to other animals. And then if you want to get back to browsing in general, just click browse. And I mean, there are just a ton of books to read on this website. One thing I do want to mention is when you're logging in, it's your student ID number and the password your student created at the beginning of the year. If you're unsure what those are, just reach out to your teacher. If you are signing in and you log in with the incorrect password 3 times, it will lock your account. It's an easy fix, but the teacher does have to unlock it for you to use it again. So just be mindful of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first weekly tip, and I'll be back soon with some more. Happy reading!